Hi, my name's Mindy Martell, and I own a cut and sew facility called Clothier Design Source in Minnesota. We've been around since 2006, and we specialize in working with high volume clients with established businesses. Our mission is to make clothing production in the US affordable and respectable, and we do that by focusing on processes, focusing on being efficient, focusing on how do we run it as lean as possible, and focusing on using the best technology out there. Another value that we add is we have really good partnerships as far as development goes and problem solving. We have a full staff of pattern makers, tech designers, raw material sourcing. So if you're running into any problems with sizing or quality or your raw materials, we can really partner with you on finding solutions as well.